I think we can all agree, running a small business, it's no walk in the park. Honestly, one of the biggest headaches, gotta be managing your ERP system.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's like you're constantly fighting these data silos, right? You get stuck
Yeah.
with all these manual processes. And trying to just get a clear picture of what's actually going on in your business sometimes feels impossible.
It really can.
But, that's why we're here today for this deep dive.
Right.
We're going to tackle a real-world problem, and we're going to see how the folks over at Tiana Solutions use their Acumatica expertise to solve it.
Perfect.
Now, we have with us Deba. Deba is an associate functional consultant at Tiana, and let me tell you,
3 years,
3 years of experience.
over 250 ERP scenarios.
Over 250 ERP scenarios tackled.
They've seen it all.
So this case that we're diving into today involves a client who is having a really tough time updating their order statuses in bulk.
On hold.
I mean,
Makes sense.
it sounds pretty straightforward, right?
Yeah, you would think.
But they kept running into this snag. So tell me a little bit about that. What was going on?
So they built what's called a generic inquiry.
Okay.
Now, a generic inquiry, think of it like a custom report
Okay.
in Acumatica that lets you pull specific data. So
Gotcha.
they tried to use the mass update field function
Mm-hmm.
within this inquiry to change the status and kept getting this error message. The field status cannot be updated in the record because the field is disabled.
Oh, I can only imagine how frustrating that would be.
Incredibly frustrating.
So what was actually causing that error? Like, what was the root of the problem?
So the mass update field, right?
Yeah.
It's designed to update basic data fields.
Okay.
Like if you wanted to change a customer's address,
Mm-hmm.
simple stuff.
Ah.
But order statuses, in Acumatica, they're often tied to workflows.
Okay.
Think approvals, automated actions, and all that jazz.
Right.
So you can't just directly change the status without potentially breaking things.
Okay.
That's where it gets a little tricky.
I see. So it's a little more complicated than it looks on the surface.
Exactly.
How did Deba tackle this?
So Deba realized the client needed to use a different tool, Mass Actions tab,
A mass actions tab.
within the generic inquiry.
Okay.
So this Mass Actions tab allows you to apply, specific actions,
Okay.
like hold or remove hold, to a bunch of orders at once.
Okay.
And these actions, they're designed to work within Acumatica's workflow logic.
Okay.
They play nice.
I see.
It's all about using the right tool for the job,
Right.
understanding how things work beneath the surface.
So instead of trying to jam a square peg in a round hole, they found the right tool that actually fits.
Exactly, like using a scalpel instead of a butter knife.
Yeah, you need that precision.
You need precision.
So Deba walked the client through setting this up.
Yeah, they guided the client, showed them how to set up the Mass Actions tab
Okay,
with
yeah.
the, remove hold action. And now they can update all those order statuses.
Nice.
In bulk, no problem. Everything's triggering correctly.
So no more error messages. It's flowing smoothly. It's like it's a small fix, but it has a huge impact.
It's all about efficiency.
What's the big takeaway here?
You gotta know your ERP system,
Yeah,
inside and out.
you got to know the why, not just the what.
And that's what Tiana Solutions is all about, right?
Yeah.
They don't just implement Acumatica, they make sure their clients know how to use it.
It's like having that GPS for your business processes.
That's a good one.
You might know where you want to go,
Yeah,
but you need that guidance to get there.
absolutely.
So to all our listeners out there, if you're running into similar ERP roadblocks, or if you're just wondering, hey, maybe Acumatica could work for my business,
Yeah, give them a call.
reach out to the experts at Tiana Solutions. You can call at 678-910-2774. Well, thanks for walking us through that today.
Bye.